snoring her head off. Her little Rottweiler snore as we pan down and see why she's so relaxed, so sleepy, happily feeding her new babies. We love the snore of the content. Sweet dreams, puppy.